Oh folks, welcome back to the channel on this beautiful bank holiday afternoon on Sunday. I heard on the grapevine, well, not so much the grapevine now, there are notices up all over this car park. Now I'm standing up top where the magistrate's court is. Below me is the car park itself, which is Chapel Street. This actually is going to close permanently from June the 2nd. So that tells me one thing, that they're either going to board it all up and leave it for months on end, or after June the bulldozers are going to move in very soon. So I don't know what you think, folks, but yeah, anyway, Chapel Street car park will be permanently closed from June the 2nd. It says on the notices, if you leave any vehicles, they will be towed away. Anyway, I thought I'd have a look around here. This is all earmarked for demolition where I'm standing here. Behind me is the magistrate's courts, which I've now permanently closed. So if you're a naughty boy, you've got to go to Preston, to court. There you go. Anyway, we'll look around and see what we can find, folks. The new multi-storey car park is Central Car Park here, folks. And I don't believe it's still not open. Yeah, it's still not open yet. Taking the time. Here you see. That's it. Please note this car park will be permanently closed from 1800 hours on 2nd of June 2024. Any vehicles remaining after this time will be removed. So, yeah, so this is Central Car Park, which will be closed in about a month's time, folks, on the 2nd of June, permanently. So does that mean the bulldozers are moving in? Can't really mean anything else, can it, really? There we go. We'll go up here and have a look round, see what we can find. So these are where the courts are, or were. Some poor bugger sleeping rough there. I'm not gonna film him. That's not fair. It's not a sort of place where you want to wander around on your own at night time. Let's put it like that. So yeah, I'm not sure about wandering around here on my own in the daytime, let alone the night time. Not very nice around here. Still got cameras, so they'll probably see me. Dare I go in here? Yeah. There's a graffiti around here. I'll keep myself locked in, or locked out. Ooh. All what I'm standing on, earmarked for demolition. Magistrate's court. Blimey. Someone's been sleeping rough there. Poor buggers. Once I find out when they start bulldozing this place, trust me folks, you'll be the first to know. I'll be down here filming it for you. There's a lot of concrete here to come down. Now, here we have got the old police station. It looks like that Star Trek, doesn't it? Like the Borg. This Borg ship, that's it. Yeah. So yeah, that's the old police station. That's bound for demolition. As is everywhere else around here. Coal Island at the top there with the tower. Then we've got Bonnie Street and 13 pub. Yeah, Pete's Dulcet Tones over there. CJ's Cafe and Happy Days Arcade. This actually might be my last chance of coming up here before they call it all off for demolition, folks. Gary boys are out in force. Why not? It's a nice day. Let's rev you up the engines. Well, that's Chapel Street. Looking directly across, we Dale Street. That silver car's now coming out of. And that's where Mr. Higgett is. £1 burger. There we go. So the windows all boarded up already. Have a look down here. Fantastic day though. It really is. Don't really want to go home. I'm here on the old trams. Heritage. Blimey, some of the gubbins there, look. I'll come around full circle where I was earlier. So I see the council boarded it all up now. There's no way you can get in these places. Yeah, come around full circle, folks. Most of it is boarded up. Police station again. I don't know what's down there. They're going to do nothing. I want to know. Here we go. We're in a sorry state, isn't it? Graffiti everywhere. Not a pleasant place to be. Not pleasant at all. Quick look up here. Looking on to Bonnie Street. See, this is what the tourists don't see, folks. Look at them over there, enjoying their burgers and chips, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the beach. They don't see the real Blackpool. Yeah, it's all boarded up here as well. There used to be the lifts, I take it. Yeah, beach is just out there, or tourist attractions, etc. Ooh, it's warm. Warmest day this year, I think. Beautiful. Police station in question. Just looking on to the Bonnie Street car park. New Bonnie Street Market. There used to be a market, it closed down about a year ago. All making way for this development around here. They could have given the market trades another year or more. They haven't done nothing this for at least a year. It's a real old derelict state. Bottom of the police station now. Cops have had a brand new police station built over at Mearside. £500 million station for them. The police. I've just been crushed down on the floor, look. Steps to nowhere. Love a bit of graffiti and light switch there, look, on and off. That's funny. Yeah, something boarded up there, folks. You can't get any further. Oh. That's the new central car park over there, the big one. Still not open. So when the bulldozers come in, there won't be no access like I am at the moment. So this actually could be my last time showing you around before the bulldozers will come in. This is the site of the old Bonnie Street Market, folks. Just all that's left now is a few seagulls. It's a crying shame, really. There we go. Bonnie Street Market. There's the old police station. All part of the new central development. Actually, folks, just before I go, I just want to show you one more thing. This used to be central train station at one time. Closed in about early 60s, I think. I'm not quite sure the date. But yeah, this is part of the original wall here. There's a graffiti on it now. And standing above me would be the station. There we go. How about that then, folks? Well, folks, I'm going to end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed my tour around the soon to close Chapel Street underground car park and the Magistrates Court, etc. Yeah, June the 2nd, the notices are up at the moment. June the 2nd, they will be permanently closed. I don't know when the bulldozer will move in, but I'll just keep you informed. So anyway, that's the end of this vlog. It's a bit creepy walk around there. I certainly wouldn't want to do it at night time, not if I'm not on my own anyway. Anyway, so yeah, I'll leave it for now. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, upload more videos, hit the like button as well, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.